I came across with this question. A child asked me, "Ma'am, it happens that a number of times we are influenced and then we want to do a number of things, but then we are failed. What do you think? Is it not destined to me? Or I couldn't do it?" And he got a firm believer that it is all destiny. So before answering to that, I just ask him, I place him a situation, and that situation was that if suppose there is a car race and you place your old Maruti 800 on that track, what would happen? Will it be a winner? The answer is with him. He needs to first develop himself. He needs to first grow himself. And that I will be telling you that how we shall grow ourselves as well as our children, that we should have a right choice. That conflicting can be minimized. And for that I have 3 C's. In that 3 C's, I will be, as I said, I will be associating with all other points which I need to express in 15 minutes, but now in 5 to 10 minutes. So, first C, which I will be taking with you, but after, if you look beautiful with me, with a smile saying, cheese, can you please? Cheese. Now, what is visible with you? Our teeth. All of us have wonderful white polished teeth. That is the visible. These are visible to us. But there are few things which are invisible too. And they are the roots. Can you see the roots of the tooth or teeth which you have? No. You can only see the upper part, that is trunk and the crown. But what about the roots? And those roots are missing. Those roots of spirituality. What is India famous for? What we Indians are known for, that is actually missing. We need to grow those roots of spirituality. Those roots are actually the roots of knowing ourselves, connecting to ourselves, connecting to our soul, connecting to the right choice, and that we build up since beginning. Allow your child to do mistake. Don't stop. You must love, you must care, but don't control. You must allow your child to do mistake. That is first A I am now associating. That is accept. Let it be an attempt then by doing the mistake. Let him realize. And you must look into that. You are going to appreciate by concluding, because every mistake has a fruit in it. Am I right? Do you agree with me? Every mistake leaves a lesson or a learning. If you are succeeded, you are having a learning. If you do a mistake, you have a lesson. But both are equally balanced and succeeding. Another thing, let's come to the above. When roots are deeper and longer, there will be less conflicting of mind in terms of turbulence. I am talking about whether it will be a tyrannon, it will be a cyclone, it will be any storm which cannot easily shake you or our students. You see, academically they have been grown. They are career oriented, they are well placed, but still they are not contented. They are not happy. The reason is roots. They hadn't developed roots. They have developed the accolades, achievements which are visible to us, materialism. And as your roots will be well developed, the trunk will be well developed, Then come to the trunk is actually the emotional stability I am talking about. We should not give a remote control of our happiness, our sorrows in the hand of others. That just a mistake or just if I am not a winner, other person will be criticizing me and I am shaken. No. I need to go ahead. And finally comes the next C, that is the contribution. That is the contribution. As soon as you develop your roots firmly, your trunk firmly, you will have a wonderful crown with you. And that crown will be full of flowers, fruits, means your contribution. If I am a teacher, what is my contribution? This is known to me the best, not any other person. And here I am doing the same, that I am contributing what I feel from what I learned from today's session after listening to a number of thoughts here. And you see, the third, if I talk about my third A, that is appreciation, it automatically comes as you start contributing. It automatically comes, and besides that, I must say, I just add up my words with two more. No? One is RIT, that is Research Intelligence Technique, which is the second C, contribution. How? We mostly give questionnaire to attend, to answer. Why don't we answer them to question to the answer? That is actually research means. It is not from internet that we will find out the answer and give it to any of the teacher. We need to tell them to ask questions from their own answers, from our answers. Let uplift those students. That's how you can well develop them. And another one, the last is 3 R's. This is different because without that, spirituality has a less meaning. These 3 R's means recognizing, remembering, and finally reciprocating. And with that, I will say that a teacher should not be a chalk, walk, talk. It should be a talk, walk, rock. And I hope with my sincere gratitude to all of you present here that you make me a keen person to listen patiently. I pay my gratitude to all of you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.